Hey Gina, just wanted to let you know that I put together my fan today. That was the box that it came in. The only thing you actually have to put together is the bottom stand. It's really easy. Just 4 screws, snap it together, and you're done. I'm sitting in my bedroom, and right now it's on a regular mode, high, and I can feel it. I'm sitting on my rowing machine, right? And I can feel it, like it's really a strong breeze. Now if I pan the room, right, you'll see how strong the breeze is? It's moving my blinds pretty well. So, well, say hello to Beano. Hey, Beano. Okay. So, here is the remote, right? Let me turn it right side up. So here's the remote. So this is like the level, low, medium, high. This is the different breeze options. This is oscillating, and this is a timer. Right now I have it on for 12 hours. Now let me go up a little bit closer. So this is high, and I have to tell you, it's not even as loud as my old one on high. It's not an offensive sound. So if I hit this, you can see it goes down to low. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 settings, okay, for low to high. The temperature is reading the temperature in the room, right? So, and I just turned on my air a little bit ago, so it's probably going to reduce down to the room temp soon. Okay, so now these are the types of breezes. So you could see that right there, that's an option. So now if I hit this button, right? Now this is considered a natural breeze. Now watch what happens. I don't know if you can tell, but the breeze goes to low, and then it fades in more. It's kind of like the way an ocean breeze would hit you, like it's low, and then all of a sudden you get a whoosh. That's that setting. This is the night setting. And to be honest with you, I'm not sure what the night setting involves. So I'm just going to put it on regular. And that's it. Oh, one more thing. It does oscillate. So I'm going to hit that oscillate. So here's make it oscillate. Kind of a slow oscillation, but it's an oscillation nonetheless. Okay, anyways, that's my new tower fan. I'm pretty happy with it. So
As you can hear, it's quite silent. It's on 6 at the moment, which is very powerful actually. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 1 is enough for me, to be honest. It's blowing me away. Oscillates too. The other one didn't. On the smart fan, I've had to send it back, but reordered it because I love these fans and I wouldn't go for anything else now. The price of Dyson's, why bother? Go for these. They're better. I mean, I found it pretty like rocket science to put that base together to begin with. Maybe I was just taking a while to do it because I just woken up when it arrived. But yeah, put it together and I love it. It's quite simple, really. I would highly recommend this fan. Get one, try it for yourself.
Okay, excuse the music, but this is the control. I'm gonna turn that off. As you saw it, it'll turn. I have it currently on sleep, so it's not so cold. Then I can go to a normal breeze. That is the loudest, if you can even hear it. That's the loudest it'll be for me. Here. Hopefully you can hear it. I forgot which function this one. I think it was like, as if it was like an actual breeze, it'll like go fast and then slow. Sleep. You can mute the sounds. You can put it on auto if you just hold this. And then, yeah. I haven't really used the timer because I don't really need it. Oh, I'm actually looking at this for the first time. Okay, goes up to 12. Okay, yeah. That's essentially it.
That is much better than a desk fan. Holy shit.
Alexa, baisse le ventilo.
D'accord.
Alexa, mets le ventilo mode normal.
D'accord.
Alexa, baisse le ventilo.
D'accord.
Alexa, augmente le ventilo.
D'accord.
Alexa, augmente le ventilo.
D'accord.
Alexa, éteins le ventilo.
D'accord.
Alexa, enciende el ventilador.
Vale.
Alexa, Apaga el ventilador.
This fan from Dreo is awesome. It's got all kinds of things on it. It's just beautiful. It's got everything.